Hi guys, how you doing? So, my lovely friend sent me a beautiful little care package that I got dirty here. She wanted me to try this out. The Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. Now, I have dry skin, so full coverage is... I don't mind full coverage. She wanted me to review it. She wanted to see my thoughts. She did purchase herself one, and I remember her messaging me like, what shade do you think that I would be in this, and what shade do you think you would be in this? And I said 128 Warm Nude, and I got 128 Warm Nude. So I'm gonna shake this up while I show you guys the other item that she sent me, which is the Master Chrome highlight that I've been wanting because I knew this was releasing. And this is the Molten Rose Gold. I have the 100, the Molten Gold, Molten Bronze, whatever, the gold one that my daughter stole from me. She has it. It is stunning. Like, it is just a beautiful highlighter, and a lot of people don't really know about this, which is weird because I thought, you know, it was well known. But anyway, I'm going to be reviewing the foundation for you guys today. I'm going to do a full face. With foundations, I normally know right away if I like them, and then I will wear it throughout the day for... What is going on with the lighting here? I've already moisturized my skin. I'm going to go ahead and prime. I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever. I know it's not my Becca backlighting primer. I'm sorry. I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever Step 1 Base Hydrator, whatever, hydrating the primer. I'm just trying to use this up. I've had it for a bit, and it's really a good primer. It's nothing spectacular. I do feel like when Makeup Forever released all these, I feel like it was gimmicky. I'm not gonna lie. Just because they released so many. But this is actually not a bad primer. I love using this primer. But I found a drugstore dupe to it, which is the Milani Prime and Perfect for it. So if you're interested or you've already tried this, I say go ahead and spend the 10 bucks on the Prime and Perfection. I got the shade, well, my friend got me the shade 128 Warm Nude. Thanks, babe. I love you. It's so sweet. Like, she was like, every time I ask you to review something, you just don't get around to it. So I'm sending you the shit that I want you to review. So I can't be mad at it. So we're going to be reviewing this foundation. I've seen so many reviews online. I think I've seen like 4. And this is supposed to be... What did I just do? Oh! Ooh. Ooh. I don't know if I should do 2 pumps, but I just did 2 pumps because most women do 2 pumps. It's a very creamy formula, but it's also... It's thick, but creamy enough. I don't know if this is a shade match, but we're going to figure this out. Alright, so I've already primed. Oh, wow. This got some viscosity to it. Oh, okay. Okay, well, it seems like I always get blemishes when I do these kind of reviews, so good on me, I guess. I'm gonna use my Morphe M439 brush, and I'm not gonna spritz it, though I feel like I should, but I'm just gonna give you guys the tea right now, so... Oh my god. I just know it's gonna be like... Get my ears because I feel like this might be a little darker than I want it to be. Oh shit, I better work quick. I feel like this is gonna set. Oh my god. Okay. So this is a foundation that looks like it's gonna set very quickly. Oh frickin' A. Literally feel like it's already set. The match is something that I would probably wear more during the summer and not have a problem with it as much. I'm going to take a little bit more. I don't know why I did that. I don't know why I did that. Oh, no, I don't know why I did that. Oh. I don't know. On camera, it doesn't look like it matches my neck at all. But listen, where there's a will, there's a way, and I'm going to have to make this work. This is, it's got a little tackiness to it, but it is what it is. What I'm going to do now is take my Dampen Beauty Blender, like I always do, and press this on the center of my face because I have so much dryness around this area. And that's where foundation likes to look cakey. In the end, once I like apply all my products, it looks alright. Not sure how well you guys can see this, but right here I'm getting a lot of, I don't know. that cakiness layer. I'm gonna try to apply a little bit more foundation because that's what's gonna fix it. Use my favorite concealer. It's actually the Wet n Wild concealer and the Photo Focus concealer, and this one's in the shade light medium beige. It's one of my favorite items. I want to pick up, I'm probably gonna pick up another one of this shade, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my ColourPop no filter concealer. This one's pretty much donezo. I took out the cap of it, the what is this called, the safety cap, whatever the hell is, and I've gotten way more uses out of it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put it right here under the eye where I want some more brightness. Speaking of hormones, I gotta call my doctor. I'm using the RCMA No Color Powder. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my face because I always set my face because it does have a little bit of tackiness, and it could be because of the primers I use and the moisturizer and stuff. So I'm gonna go in with my BH Studio Pro powder, and this one is in the shade 230. And I'm gonna take my Royal Lanico BMD 100 brush and just kind of set my face. Using my taper face brush, is my Sigma taper face brush. I'm actually gonna go in with this neutral one. We don't know the name, we don't bother. Because this is such a warm foundation, I want to use a cooler toned bronzer. That's what I like on myself. I feel like they just work best together. What I'm gonna do is take a little bit of bronzer and just kind of hit up this section of my eye and go back down. I don't know, I don't know, I've been doing some weird stuff lately, guys. L'Oreal Kissing Me pencil, it's charcoal. I'm just gonna line my eyes. I'm not doing much with the eye look. So I'm gonna apply my mascara. I'm gonna be using the Superhero from It Cosmetics, I don't know, mascara. And I'm gonna apply this and tell you guys what I think of it. And that's it. It's gonna take me like 3 hours to apply anyway. Okay. I'm gonna line my lips. This is the Black Radiance Lip Cream. This is the Perfect Tone Matte Lip Cream, and the shade is 5405. I don't know the shade names for these. I know I found it online, but this is like a strange formula. It's so weird. It's kind of gloopy in the jar of the both that I got, but the tone is so beautiful. The Master Chrome Molten Rose Gold highlighter. Let me open it. It's this beauty right here. I swatched it like this once and I am like, ma'am. So anyway, I'm gonna take my Smith 112 brush. It is just perfection. It's good for under the eyes, but I'm gonna take this brush, take some highlight, oh my god. All right, let's see. Oh my. Oh, that's so beautiful. Okay, my love, so this is the completed look. I don't know how I feel about the foundation. This is something I definitely would not wear during my drier months or winter or cold, whenever I'm having my most extreme dry skin. This foundation, the shade, although it's a really beautiful shade, it's not my shade. It's thicker. It is a really pretty foundation. It blends really nicely. It does set quickly, so word of advice, if you like to let things sit on your skin like I do, so you definitely want to blend it in. It does blend really nicely though. It did blend down my neck. And once I do my same technique with the brush and then the beauty blender and then press it in, I got a really beautiful finish. It does cling to drier areas of the skin, not as badly as some of my other more mattifying foundations. And for drugstore, this is actually a phenomenal foundation, especially if you're looking for something that's full coverage. As far as this highlight, can we talk about this glow? I actually off camera ended up putting it on the inner corner of my eye. So I've been honing in on my inner Jackie Aina. She loves to apply an inner corner highlight with a looser brush. This is the Morphe M139, which just went like that, which is beautiful and fluffy. And I just literally took it like that, wet the brush, and then I applied it again, and I got this beautiful inner corner highlight. This Maybelline has done it right with these Master Chrome highlighters. They did a phenomenal job with their cream ones. I don't use too many cream products on my face, but when I do, I love reaching for the Master Chrome collection that I do have. Now this right here is phenomenal. The color is definitely more cool tone pink, but once it's blended, it's actually really beautiful. That's pretty much it, guys, for my overall review on the Maybelline Superstay foundation and that highlight, honey. That's pretty much it for my video. Please thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.